Welcome to another interesting class on the topic how do mirrors work. Remember, in our last class, we said we are going to learn more on this topic, so let's get started. How do mirrors work? How is it possible that sometimes we see our reflection in windows or other glass objects? Even though glass is transparent, well, nothing is completely transparent. Yes, nothing is really what? Transparent. Most glass reflects some light back to you. Yes. For example, water, ice, metal, and even certain kinds of plastic also reflect light. Yes, water. When you look at yourself in water, it reflects back to you, then you see your image in it. What about eyes? Take for example eyes. When you look straight into an eyes, you see your reflection. Metal too, because they are shiny, they are polished, and so you can see yourself in them. They reflect what? Light. Wow, this is Tom. Can you see Tom? This is Tom. What do you think Tom is doing? Tom is looking at himself after dressing in the mirror. What do these things have in common? They are all very smooth. Yes, you can make many things reflect light if you polish them. To polish means to make something smooth and shiny by rubbing it together. Yes, you can polish any surface, like I said. A work can be polished and it becomes smooth and shiny, then it reflects light. Have you ever looked at yourself in a funhouse mirror at a carnival? Wow! I can imagine. This mirror are designed to stretch out your reflection in a funny way. They can make you look very tall and thin or very short and wide. Do you know I'm laughing? I remember looking at myself a long time ago in a fun ass mirror. You won't even want to hear what happened. You know you're very Miss Irene, you're very own Miss Irene, very thin. But when I looked at myself in a front ass mirror, I became so fat. I know you are laughing right now. Yes, a front ass mirror can give you a funny look about yourself. If you're short, it makes you tall, and if you're thin, it makes you fat. How do they do this? They are curved like a lens. Yes, remember lenses are curved. Just as lens refracts the light that passes through it, a curved mirror reflects light rays in different directions, changing how you look. Now, let's watch this video to learn more on how mirrors work. Happy viewing! Wow, what's this? Have you ever caught your own reflection in a mirror, window, or pond and wonder how mirror actually work? The truth is, mirrors are just as old as anything. Any small surface that can bounce back light can be used as mirror. The very first mirror used by humans would have been dark pool of still waters that could reflect their own image. Why is it that smooth surfaces can reflect image back at us? It has to do with the way light hits a surface. Yes, light hits any surface, and when it hits a particular surface, the rays of light can all bounce back at the same exact angle. Our eyes perceive this perfectly reflected light as a mirror image, meaning it looks just like you, but backward. Rough surface bounce back at every different angle, so we don't get any mirror image at all. But not every smooth surface act like a mirror. If the smooth surface absorbs the photon instead of bouncing them back, there's no reflection. The earliest known examples of ancient mirror are more than 8,000 years old. Found in modern day Turkey, this primitive mirror were made up of polished volcanic glass called obsidian. By 3000 BCE, mirrors of polished copper
were available to the wealthy people of the Mediterranean, but they were prone to being blurry and regularly needed polished. Modern mirrors were invented about 1,500 years ago when Venetian craftsmen started coating clear glass with a thin layer of tin and mercury mixed together, which made for a near perfect reflection that needed no polishing. Today, mirrors are made up of manufactured glass that has been coated with either silver or aluminium on one side. Factory precision allows almost every mirror to perfectly reflect the image back, making it a bit less of an art. Unless, of course, you are making a fun ass mirror.
Thanks for viewing. I'm going to be putting you through some questions on day 3, day 4, and day 5. And the first question says, which thing is in each pair reflects more light? Check the box next to it. And the first one is a frozen pond and a glassy field. A frozen pond, it's just like an ice, so it reflects light more. And the next one says a brick wall and a marble floor. A marble floor reflects light more. Why? Because it is smooth and it is polished. The next says an empty pool and a pool full of swimmers. The answer to this question is an empty pool. Now, just try to answer other questions. See you in our next class. Bye. I love you so much.